This is a tutorial on how to operate the Bodum electric water heating system. First, remove the kettle from the stand and fill it with water. Be careful not to go above the fill line. Next, take the kettle back over to the stand and make sure that the blue light is on. And through the use of technology, in just a few short seconds, your water will begin to boil. That sound means that the water is boiling. And as you can see through the window, the water is beginning to boil and steam. And that is how you operate the Bodum water heating system.